So I got myself this super cool car and I've been fighting to clean the wheels. And then my detailers come the other day and I watch them do it and they have this magic like wand and they're like just in there like this, and it is so much easier than me sitting in there with my fingers and claws, and it was terrible. This kit of 4 items seems like it will be perfect for making these wheels look magically clean again. What do you say we clean them? Let me make sure they work and then I'll come back. I'll let you know what my experience was like. I'll throw up a little video so you can see what the wheels look like after I clean these. That's actually my responsibility anyway, how well I did. But I'm talking to you about how well they worked and how long I think they're gonna last. I'm gonna give these a good 7 out of 10. Again, I am not sponsored, bought these myself. I am not upset with the fact that I bought them, but I will say, as you can see from the arc on this one already, and there's a little bit of an arc on that one, not sure about the long-term lifespan of these, although put in the comments below, do you think if I am bending these while using them, I'm doing something wrong? I will tell you the experts that I saw using these, they were twisted and destroyed. So maybe it's just a function of how it's supposed to be. But anyway, if you want one of these for yourself, there is a link on the screen, one down in the description. You should definitely get it. You can't possibly go wrong with what they cost. There may be a better version out there and I will search for that. But as a basic answer, these are amazing. If I've added some value here, please like the video, follow the channel. Put in the comments if you have any other better ideas than this brand and this style. I'm happy to hear about those and give them a shot for you. Hope this was helpful. See you in the next video.